Today we're taking a look at Solana's Sol coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Sol go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Solana's Sol coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy Sol or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And as we saw in the last video, Solana Sol coin had broken through that downtrend we had in place, and our target was to hit, of course, our key 50-day moving average, and at the time that value was roughly at about $94, and we're looking at that over here. And I mentioned I didn't know, I suppose, when it was going to occur. I was hoping it would get tested within, the days following the analysis video, and it took about a week for that to occur. And not only did it get tested, it then got broken through, which is absolutely fantastic news for Sol coin holders. It's now sitting over $100 at a value of $102.65. So everyone can, I suppose, give a bit of a sigh of relief, as it looks like things are starting to change for Solana's Sol coin. Crucially, of course, we had that break, and then we're following it up by breaking back above both our 20 and 50-day moving averages. These are very bullish signals for us at the moment, and with this sort of movement means we're going to see a golden cross occur with that 20-day moving average coming up if the momentum continues to cross above the 50-day moving average. And once you look at the volume, you go, that's quite interesting. The volume hasn't changed that much, and in fact it's still been dropping. It's been dropping, yet we are now starting to see a shift in direction. And I think that is really because A, obviously the overall crypto market's picking up, but B, we've got 1, 2, 3 points at which we've bounced off this $80 mark. That is a triple bottom, and it is a major reversal pattern. So I think the sellers have sort of just decided to dry up, and whilst the volume isn't there from the buying side, there is nowhere near as many sellers as we were seeing previously. So all in all, things are looking good. Right off the bat, immediately, I'd suggest our target is going to be sitting at $125. So that key point of horizontal resistance that we see up there. So I'll just draw a line just so we can see exactly where we want that to be. I'm also going to extend this one out a little bit as well, just so it's very, very clear as to where exactly we want to go. Now, let's have a quick look at a few other indicators. Quite a simple chart at the moment, guys. RSI, you can see, as you'd expect, the volume hasn't been there, but the price has been moving in a different direction. So instead of going down, we're going up. And we're currently sitting at 63.33. Wouldn't be surprised if we had a bit of pullback, and I think that's sort of what is happening today. There's an indecision occurring where, we're not seeing a largish sort of candle as we did the previous day. We're seeing a doji appear instead. So not too bad there. Hopefully I'd say a bit of a slight pullback before then we move up straight towards that $125 mark, just so we don't fall into that overbought range. Let's have a look now at the MACD as well. And on the MACD, you can see that beautiful cross did occur just prior to our last video, which has really been a kicker for Sol, and it has been driving it upwards, and we haven't hit our peak. It looked like we were about to peak, but it did not occur, and we have continued to move in an upwards direction. So looking really, really nice there as well. The trend seems to be continuing from that sort of a perspective, I suppose. I mean, cleaning up the chart a bit, things are looking a lot nicer, a lot easier to read, and overall I think things are looking up now for Solana. Target for today's video, nice and quick and easy chart, guys, $125. I want to see it tested within the next few weeks at least. That wraps up today's analysis of Solana's Sol coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video as well, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.